happened is the officials have come, they have carried on their inspection. I have been a mute spectator throughout. I was asked if a reply has been given. I have conveyed that all my documentation, whatever I have to say, has been replied. That's about it, my lords. And then the signature was taken, and in fact, I was awaiting for a detailed report to come my way.
What is the purpose of joint verification?
They have come and they have conducted the inspection. Now that doesn't mean that it was concluded there and a final report was passed on.
It's not about that. Whether the content, when you sign a document,
please,
you have accepted the contents of it and signed it.
Which is simply that an inspection was conducted and it is recorded that I have communicated
no, it is not
the
that.
emails.
You have read it, it is tallied.
My lords, if the joint inspection report is looked into, there is nothing to say that such irregularity is observed with respect to such project or such deviation, my lord. It simply says that it was conducted. Observations are in line with previous reports. Again, this observations in line with previous reports itself is vague. What am I supposed to understand by variations? No, because I was.
We will not understand what has happened on that day by your submissions. We will understand from the document.
Please, my lord, if we rely on the documents, then the document also doesn't reflect the details of the inspection.
May I make one submission, Your Lordship? Page number 14 is my report, the minutes of meeting of the joint verification. In that, para number 3 states that as for PO number 280643997 dated 16/8/22, variations were observed in line with previous reports. This report I've also produced in page number R7, page number 97 to 99, Your Lordship. Those are tabular columns which shows that what are the differentiation in the amount that came and how we arrived to that amount. This report has been given to him. On basis of this, he also sought for a joint verification. He requested for a joint verification. On that, we've gone to the retail outlet itself and we've explained each differentiation and the discrepancies that has been taken over for the past years. And then he signed on this report. There was no coercion. There was nothing that my learned friend is saying now. These are
no. If there is coercion, they would have stated in the writ affidavit.
There are no submissions on. There's no contention as such in the writ petition. Now, after your lordship posed the question, these can't be made. These submissions cannot be made before your lordship.
Relying on the vigilance letter that my learned friend is talking about, if your lordship may kindly look into it, this tabular column doesn't reflect to my work. Doesn't specifically say that Mr. Venkateshwara Rao, based on this PO order, we have identified this. In fact, it has multiple other works, PO orders that have been made by one random rubble masonry, by one R mentioned. Nowhere my name is mentioned.
My simple question to you is, you accepted in the by signing the joint report, whatever the variations that are found in the earlier report.
No, my lords, that is where I disagree. I have simply signed for being present and being there at the moment of the inspection, my lord. I have not conceded to any irregularity that was made towards me. I mean, lord, one small humble submission. If it was orally conveyed to me, then the entire proceedings might as well be taken care of orally, no, my lords. I am simply, my position still remains. I am still ready to repay the amount if there are any variations.
You are on a very weak wicket. You can't make these kind of submissions. That's what you're submitting is contrary to law. You don't say that you have signed the document saying that variations are found, and you say that it is not informed to me.
If the language is variations are found in line with the previous reports, I was still awaiting more reports to come. And if these reports are provided, I'm ready to rectify, my lords.
How will you rectify?
We have been given.
Please tell me what I
How will you rectify? What has already happened. You can't rectify.
No, my lords. Irregularities are what they are accusing me of, and inflated bills are what they are accusing me of.
We've been given tabular columns to show them how and what are the different amount. And also in his.
No, you do one thing. You place before the court exactly what is the variation. You place and give it to her. Give them a copy of it.
Please, I will. I need some time.
They'll encounter for the respondent. Heard the counsels. Heard both the counsels. The respondent shall give the particulars details of the variation in the amount that are claimed by the petitioner and as found out by the respondent,
and also the
in their inquiry, that shall be given to the the copy of the same shall be given to the petitioner by 15th of April. Lysis matter on 21st. Yes, next.
Much obliged.
Cell number 31. Pass over 31. Ravi Shankar K.
Kindly pass over.
Yes, next.
Cell number 33.
Submission.
Yes, Mr.
33 agenda.
I have got objections to the maintainment of the petition. I have to file my statement of objections.
No, all that are not necessary. Just get your instructions. If required, you can file.
Cell number
You
34.
have the basic instructions?
Pardon?
You have the basic instructions.
Basic instruction I don't have. Only about
This is the matter day after tomorrow.
not tomorrow, my lord.
Day after tomorrow.